In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an audio wave in Kapwing. Whether you're creating a podcast, a music video, or any project that involves sound, visualizing the audio with a waveform can greatly enhance viewer engagement and aesthetic appeal. So, let's dive right into the step-by-step process to get your audio looking and sounding its best. First things first, you'll want to open Kapwing. If you're new to Kapwing, it's a versatile online tool that's perfect for video editing and integrates features like audio waveforms seamlessly. Once you're in, you'll need to upload the audio or video file that you want to work with. If your audio is embedded within a video, no worries, Kapwing can handle both. You'll want to start by opening a new project in Kapwing Studio. This serves as your workspace where all your editing magic happens. Simply click to import your file. This will set up your timeline view and allow you to work with the audio within your project. Now that your file is uploaded and you're all set in the studio, go ahead and select the audio layer that you've imported. This could be either the audio file itself or a video clip if the audio is embedded within. In your timeline, click on the respective track to make sure it's active. This selection is crucial because it's what allows you to apply waveform effects specifically to that audio. With your audio selected, I want you to look towards the right sidebar. Here, you'll find a host of tools and settings to customize your project. Look specifically for the option labeled Convert to Waveform or Audio Visualizer. This is the tool Kapwing provides to generate an audio waveform, a sound wave that visually represents your audio track. Click on this tool, and voila! Instantaneously, you should see a waveform superimposed over your audio or video track. One of the great things about Kapwing's audio visualizer is its built-in waveform generation, which simplifies what could otherwise be a complex editing task. This step can bring a dynamic and professional look to your content without needing extensive experience in video editing. End your project with a review to ensure everything sounds and looks as you intend. The waveform should sync perfectly with your audio, enhancing not only the auditory experience, but adding a visual element that can keep your audience engaged. Once you're satisfied, go ahead and export your project to whatever format suits your needs. And there you have it, a simple yet effective way to add an audio wave in Kapwing, enhancing the delivery of your audiovisual content. This small touch can make a significant difference, helping you to communicate better with your audience. Remember, creativity is key, so feel free to experiment with different styles and find what best complements your project. Thanks for watching, and happy editing.